Okay, here's an example of an order of operations problem. So we start with PEMDAS, of course, political education, mix, determined, Africans, sovereign. So this is parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division from left to right, addition and subtraction from left to right. So PEMDAS tells us that the first thing we need to evaluate is anything within parentheses. So we zoom in right here, we see we have one set of parentheses which has 4 squared divided by 4. All right, so the first thing we evaluate is within this parentheses. So what I'm going to do is we're going to rewrite the problem, and everything's going to stay the same, and we're going to evaluate within the parentheses. Okay, so 4 squared, within the parentheses, we're going to start a new set of PEMDAS, right? And so parentheses, exponent. So we need to evaluate this exponent. 4 to the second power, 4 squared is 4 times 4, which is 16. And 16 divided by 4. All right? And so then we can, again, just bring everything else right on down, divided by a half, plus 9. Okay, so then we finish in the parentheses. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So then that becomes 10 times 4 minus 2 times 4 divided by 2 divided by 1/2 plus 9. Right, so we've got parentheses taken care of, no more parentheses, there are no more exponents. So now we do multiplication and division from left to right. So we start at the left side of the problem and we just go across and we do all of the multiplication or division problems. So the first one, 10 times 4, that's 40, minus 2 times 4, that's 8. Okay, and then let's just bring the rest down. So divided by 2, divided by 1/2, plus 9. So we can keep doing division from left to right. So this will be 40 minus 8 divided by 2, that's 4. So this is 4 divided by 1/2 plus 9. All right, and then we can keep going. We still have division. So we are 4 divided by a half. So if we remember, 4 divided by 1/2. When we're dividing with fractions, we use keep it, change it, flip it. So this 4 divided by 1/2, I'm going to change it to 4 times the flip it, the reciprocal of 1/2, which is 2 over 1. So 4 divided by 1/2 is equal to 8. All right, so then this becomes 40 minus 8 plus 9. So now we have addition and subtraction. So addition and subtraction, we just solve it from left to right. So we say 40 minus 8, that is 32. So we have 32 plus 9. And then 32 plus 9 is 41. And so that's our answer. So PEMDAS, parentheses, we do 4 squared is 16. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Next, we have a multiplication and division from left to right. So we do 10 times 4, that's 40. We do 2 times 4, that's 8. Divided by 2, divided by half. 8 divided by 2, that's 4. 4 divided by a half is 4 times 2 over 1, which is 8. So 4 divided by a half is 8. Then we have addition and subtraction from left to right. 40 minus 8 is 32. 32 plus 9 is 41. And that's how we do it.